Let's say you have a YouTube video or horizontal video which you want to convert into a Instagram reel or a vertical video. Basically, instead of manually changing the sequence size and scale and keyframing the video, what you can do is click sequence and auto reframe sequence. Here you can select which format do you want to convert into. Like I want to convert it to reel format, so I will do vertical 9:16 and I will hit create. I will wait some seconds, 10 to 20 seconds you have to wait. So now you can see it has created a new sequence named 1 and 9:16. So let's play this. As you can see, it has perfectly reframed my whole video. Let's say we want to change this first shot. I want to show more of hand instead of its body. Go to effects control and here you can see auto reframe effect. Click on override generated path and you can see the keyframes now. Just delete the keyframes and change the position. Perfect.